WhatsApp is finally catching up with how we actually use it, introducing scheduled calls and a bunch of smart group call upgrades. Here's how it works. You can now schedule a call ahead of time right from the Calls tab. Just hit the plus button, choose whether it's voice or video, set the time, and invite either a group or individuals. Everyone gets a heads-up notification before the call kicks off, and it'll show up neatly in your Calls tab with an attendee list and even calendar links so no one forgets. But that's not all. Once you're in the call, you can now raise your hand before speaking to avoid everyone talking over each other and throw in quick emoji reactions without breaking the flow. Hosts get notified the second someone joins through a shared link, making it easier to keep track. And yes, every call remains end-to-end encrypted, meaning no one's snooping on your chats. For anyone tired of messy group calls or endless "Are you free now" messages, this feature is a game changer. Would you use WhatsApp to replace Zoom or Google Meet?